Spiritual intelligence, it helps you to be connected to something greater than yourself. That connection happens through a deep focus on your inner self, and that connection guides your perception about life generally. Christians can explain that connection with the presence of the Holy Spirit. Muslims can explain that connection with the concept called tawhid. Some other people can explain the connection with a relationship with the universe or with nature, and some others with the depth of consciousness. So, are you spiritual? It simply means, do you have a strong sense of purpose and meaning for life that is beyond material things? It simply means, do you have an ability to navigate complex ethical issues, moral dilemmas, without losing your values and still solving the problem? Are you spiritual? It means, do you have a sense of deep inner connection to something larger than yourself, and does that connection guide you in living a fulfilling life? That's an idea of what spiritual intelligence is all about.